Hey folks, Cram here. Let's do an unboxing and take a look at Costco's Energizer rechargeable batteries and charger kit. Let's do it. Okay, so this is Costco's Energizer rechargeable battery kit with charger, and this one comes with again with the charger, and it comes with 4 of the AAAs and then 6 of this AA batteries, rechargeable batteries. And then I bought this primarily because of the D adapters and the C adapters. That way I can use them to power my Maglite flashlights without buying those alkaline D and C size batteries. So yeah, so this is a nice kit. Again, it comes with a charger. I do have smart chargers anyway, so I can use this as a backup. Yeah, but this one has a case as well, so that's great for portability, especially when we do campings and outings. So let's see the back. So here it is. As you can see, you can just put your AA size battery. It can be a rechargeable or just an ordinary alkaline, and it will adapt it from AA, small size AA, to a size D. And same thing on the C adapter. So you can use these adapters as long as you're putting AA size batteries. Okay, it says after 5-year battery life. And then let's see if you can see this. So it has a USB charging port, so you can charge your smartphone, and then you can charge. It can charge from 1, 2, 3, or 4 AA or AAA batteries at a time, which is good because on some chargers you have to charge 2 batteries at a time. So with this one, you can, it's very flexible, from 1 to 2 to 3 or 4. And then it has some safety features. Safely charge batteries with varying levels, so it kind of prevent overcharging. And it has some LED lights to tell you the status of the charging status. And another safety feature, helps prevent damage to batteries from overcharging. Yep, so this is a nice kit. I think I got it for $25 at Costco. So this charger alone could cost you about what, $10, $12. So they're almost like freebies. So let's open and see what's inside. Alright guys, I'm back. It was really pain in the neck to open. Good thing I have this bad boy right here. but yeah, you really need a cutter or some sort of knife. Okay, so here it is as it is. I'm not sure. I think you can keep this white thing here, and then look how compact it is. So you can easily slide this in your car. That way you have a nice rechargeable kit for you. So yeah, I like this case right here. So here they are. So let's start with the charger. So here's the charger. It's supposed to be a smart charger as well. And this one is an auto voltage, so you can use it from 100 to 240 volts. So yeah, you can use this when you're traveling. And you have the 1 amp USB charger. Okay, and here's the manual, and here are the AAAs. Let's see. So these are made in Japan, and they are 800 milliamp hour or milliamp hours, 1.2 volts. So that's nice to know that they are made in Japan. Let's check the AAAs. Okay, 200 milliamp hours, saying made in Japan. So I assume that these are as good as the Eneloops. And speaking of Eneloops, yeah, that's what I've been using for many years now. And these are one of my Eneloops. Yeah, as you can see, these are the Sanyo made or Sanyo branded Eneloops. And I do have another one here. Yeah, it's still the Sanyo, the old version. So let's compare them. Yeah, if you can see, they do have that kind of rough finish on the positive side and also on the negative side. So there's a big possibility that they came from the same factory. So yeah, these are quality rechargeable batteries. And what I'm planning to do, guys, is since I bought a new since I bought a new flashlight, the Maglite, which is a great compact light, and I do have another video of this. I want to use this C adapters so that I can use this AA, and I think I need 2 of these. That way I don't have to buy, you know, different sizes of batteries. All I have to do is, you know, use my AA's, and you know, I could able to use any size of, you know, battery powered flashlight. So let's try them. So I suppose this should be the positive side, or maybe not. No, it is labeled, so this should be the positive. Boom, just like that. Again, positive side is here. Yeah, so now I do have a couple of C-type batteries without spending extra, and I almost have like an unlimited power because I do have a lot of this rechargeables. I've been buying this for many years now, mostly at Costco, so I do have a lot of this AAAs. So yeah, that was my plan to be able to use this bad boy with my abundant supply of rechargeable batteries. Right, so yep, you have to twist it like that. I don't know what happened because I tried to put the Eneloops and then it worked, and then I went back with the Energizer, and now it is working fine. So yep, so the one advantage guys is because this one is powered by just AA batteries, these tend to be more lighter because again, they're the smaller AAAs instead of the C. And of course, obviously the disadvantage is the you will get less what do you call that, runtime, less runtime, because you are just using the AA instead of C type batteries. And of course, and then again, the advantage is you can just put a fresh recharge AAs and you're good to go. So yeah, it is working, and these are pre-charged as evidence. And yeah, this is the ML25LT. I do have a video of this, you can check it on the other video. But so yeah, this is the Energizer rechargeable batteries and charger kit at Costco, plus the adapter or adapters, and this is a charger. I'm not gonna try to charge it right now because it's just a basic charger, and I just want to show you the charger that I always use. My old and trusty Lacrosse some of the BC700. Yeah, I've been using this for many years now, and it's very reliable, very smart. It has those features that you couldn't find on this bad boy. So this one has like a test, like one of those test, charge, refresh, something like that. So it is it's a nice and reliable charger. I'm not sure if you can still get this on Amazon, but I got this on Amazon for about 30 bucks many years ago, probably 12 years ago. So this is my go-to charger, and for traveling you can just grab one of these. But you know what guys, when I do travel, instead of bringing the charger, I'll just bring extra fully charged batteries. That way I don't have to worry about finding an outlet or something like that. So yep, so that's this is my new rechargeable battery kit, and I will definitely use this most of the time because I do love flashlights, And my kids love to use this cool looking lantern from Streamlight. I can make another video of this. And alright guys, stay safe and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Hey folks, if you like that video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.